What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk about something that I found yesterday, and that's print-on-demand coasters. Yep, coasters. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. We're actually talking a lot about passive income. So if you're interested, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm creating passive income selling low content books over on Amazon, then check out the link in the description below to go to the Printing Profits course, or you can get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, coasters, print-on-demand coasters. I had no idea this even existed, but they do. And if you do a little bit of research over on Amazon, you can see that funny, unique coasters actually sell pretty well, which I'm about to show you. Now, when it comes to these print-on-demand coasters, there's a few ways that you can go around this. You can either sell them on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, or even have your own Shopify store. So we're going to do a little bit of research. I'm going to show you how well these actually sell. And if you look here, there's lots of different types that you could create. So we got funny coasters for mums, for women, for drinks, wine, with holder, under 10, cork, for work. There's a lot of different keyword phrases that people are searching. So let's just click enter. I'm also going to show you where you can actually have these printed on demand in a second, but I just want to show you the demand for these because it absolutely shocked me. So if we scroll down, we can see don't fuck up the table. That one seems to be on a lot of different coasters. It's not very unique. But if we scroll down, so in the whole of kitchen and dining, this is around 28,000th, 2,000th for this one. So this is actually selling really well. Then these two are sponsored, so let's keep going. Just here, look, 4 funny wine coaster set. So that's ranked at 7,000th place. 51,000th, 53, 75. So as you can see, there's a lot of demand for these coasters. Let's check out these ones. 43,000th, 2,000th place in the whole of kitchen and dining. That is absolutely ridiculous. So like I said, there's a lot of demand for these unique coasters, even though these ones aren't really unique because they all say the same stuff, but you could easily find some unique phrases that have not been done, put them onto coasters and make an absolute killing. So where can you actually get these printed on demand? So this is the site. This is called Guten.com. I'd never even heard of this until yesterday because I was doing a little bit of research. I was looking at some of my best-selling books as well, and one of my best-selling is actually getting combined with these coasters. So when someone buys one of my books, because it's a unique book, I'm not going to say what type, people are pairing it and also buying coasters at the same time. So that got me thinking, and I started doing a little bit of research into print-on-demand coasters. Again, I had no idea this even existed, and I found that you could get them done here on Guten. So let's go to products and pricing. Let's go to home and living, and I'll show you exactly where they are. So mugs, kitchen, bath, holiday, bedroom, outdoor. Where are they? Hold on 1 second. So it wasn't print products. Accessories? I don't think so. Oh, might be. So placemats. They should be here somewhere. scroll down a little bit more. Mugs, living. Here we go. Coasters. Print on demand coasters. Now with this website, Guten, or Guten.com, they actually sell, there's a lot of different products that you can use for print on demand. This would be perfect for an Etsy shop. So as you can see, here are the coasters. You can start selling, you can get your print specs, you can see what they look like just here. But I think this is an awesome idea if you want to go down this route, because I've never really heard many people talk about print on demand coasters, and as we can see on Amazon, there's actually a lot of demand for these products. Now, how would I recommend actually selling these? Well, I reckon your best bet would probably be on Etsy. So let's have a look here. Now with Guten, it's completely free to sign up. It's completely free to start dropshipping these products, because any good dropshipping or print on demand service should always be free. But if we go to here, how to sell, you can see all the different platforms that you can use Guten on. So right here we have Shopify, so you could start your own Shopify store, Etsy, Amazon, and I'm pretty sure you can do this on eBay as well. So let's go down to Etsy. So here it explains why. You could find out how to set up everything, so it's completely automated. So every time you sell one of your coasters, it's going to go straight over to Guten. They're going to fulfill your order and you're going to keep the profits. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. See, I know a lot about print on demand, but I've never even heard anyone talk about print on demand coasters. Have you? If you have, let me know down below. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this. Is this something that you would try? Do you think it's worth your time selling print on demand coasters? Or yeah, just letting me know. So if we go back to products and pricing, we can actually see all the different types of products that you can use for print on demand. Now obviously we have the t-shirts, throw pillows, woven blankets as well. We have the tote bags, travel bags, swaddle bags, accessory pouches. So we have quite a lot of the usual stuff, but they do have some pretty cool stuff on here as well. You've got all your kids, your pets. What's in pets? Let's take a little look. You can do pet bandanas as well. So if you actually had a little pet following, maybe in the dog niche or the cat niche, you could create pet bandanas and sell that to your following. You can even do dog beds. Wow, that's pretty cool. I haven't seen anyone do print on demand dog beds either. So let's just go to all for a second. See what else they have. I'm just really interested in the coasters. So we have the totes, the wearables, kitchen, bath, mugs, living room, outdoors, office supplies and tech, bedroom, holiday, your standard stuff, prints, canvases, posters, your apparel, your socks, print on demand socks. That's pretty cool as well. So yeah, I really like this platform. Have you heard of Guten before? I know I hadn't, but I'm still shocked about those print on demand coasters and how much demand there actually is. Now remember, if you're interested in learning how I create passive income selling low content books, then don't forget to check out the Printing Profits course by hitting that link in the description down below. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.